Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life catia practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this simple model. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's start. I'll select here XY plane and go for the sketch. So let's take a circle first, like this, and go for the dimension. Give the diameter of that circle, which is 40. So exit from the sketcher, go for the command pad, just reverse the direction. I'll pad it up to 120 mm. Now I will go for the plane creation, so click on this. You can see here plane definition dialog box has opened. I'll just select this plane and I'll give the offset distance from here to here, which is 20. So now you can see here one plane has created. Just select that point and go for the sketch. I will start with the profile like this, go like this. I'll change it into arc here like this, and just come little down like this and join it over here like this. And I will draw one more circle which is concentric like this. Go for the dimension here, give the diameter of this circle, which is 12. You need to give the radius here, which is 15. Now I will give an angle, so I will select this and this. I'll just give the angle, which is 12.11. just go with the OK. Now you see here this line got tilted. I'll just select this line and give the relation here, which is vertical like this. And once again I will select this and this line, go for the relation here, which is tangent, and give a dimension from this origin to this center, which is 45, but not align dimension. Right click, go for the horizontal dimension, which is 45. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined and close as well. So come out from the sketch and go for the pad and just reverse the direction and give the pad thickness, which is 10 mm. Just go with the OK. Now I will select these pad features. You can select from here itself, you can select from here itself. I'll go for the 3D mirror, click on the mirror command. So you can see we have the command here called mirror, so click on this. Now I need to select a reference, plane of symmetricity. I'll select this and just go with the OK. I need to go for once again plane creation, so click on this plane definition here and choose this plane and go for the first reverse the direction and give an offset value, which is 11.5. go with the OK. Now I will select this plane and once again I'll go for the sketch and just fit to screen. Now I will go for the circle. Once again I will draw there two concentric circle, first one and this is second one. Go for the dimension, give the circle having the radius 25. So you can see here we can change it from here itself. I'll change it to radius and give the value, which is 25. Go with the OK. In the same way I'll be going for this, so click on this, give the radius value, which is 40. Now we need to give one dimension here from here to here, having the horizontal distance, which is 80. Now I will just take a profile from here like this and just join it over here. So I'll give here one relation, this and this, right click, go for the coincident. Now you can see it's getting fully defined. So go for the trim here. You can see here you have the option quick trim. I will trim this portion and this portion. Now you can see my sketch is ready. So come out from the sketch, go for the pad once again, click on this. I'll be giving here the pad thickness which is 7.5 and I will choose here mirror extend and just go with the OK. Once again I will choose this plane and go for the sketch. Just make it like this. I will go for the tool here called project. So select this and this. Now you can see this edge is projected here, and take the profile here. So start from this point and like this. In a similar way we can start from this point to this. You can see here I need to perform a lot of trim operations. So I will just trim this portion, I will trim this portion, and I will trim this portion. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Come out from the sketch, go for the operation called pad, and in the same way you have to choose here first mirror extend, and you need to give the thickness here which is 5.5 and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this, but I need to perform one more operation. So select this face and go for the sketch, go for the circle and draw a concentric circle and give the dimension of that circle which is having the diameter. You can change it from here, diameter 30, and come out from the sketch, go for the command called pocket, and here you can give the value up to next and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this, and I will just hide all the planes. So click on the tools, go for the hide and hide all the planes here. So you can see here at a time you can hide all the planes. Now I need to go for the command called here fillet. So click on the fillet. Actually you will be having, if you expand it, you will be having 5 types of fillet. I'm going to use here edge fillet and just select this edge. You can select this edge, you can select this edge, you can select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Give the radius value which is 2 and just go with the OK. Now you can change the view mode here. You can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on CATIA and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.